hurricane season.
Never leave your pet behind. If you must evacuate, take your pet with you. Place 2 ID tags on your pet's collar. Include a temporary tag with the information of a friend or relative that lives outside your immediate area. Make sure your pet's microchip registration is up to date. While you're at your computer, make a plan for pet-friendly accommodations in case you must evacuate. Always travel with photographs of your pet. Prepare a travel kit for your pet. Include all needed supplies, plus a file containing vaccination records. Don't forget a carrier. For more information about pet hurricane preparedness, visit petallianceorlando.org.